So it's a PE pipe drill to open the hole. We need a tube cutter. I use a rivet gun to this special sparkle tape. Hello everybody! Today I want to show you how to make your own hula hoop. But before I explain how to make your own hula hoop, I'll tell you what you need to prepare to make the handmade hula hoop. So if you already know what you need to get, you can skip the next video. Otherwise, you can go over this video. It's only about 5 minutes and then tell you what you need to prepare to make handmade hula hoop. And then we can go to the next video. I'll actually explain you how to make handmade hula hoop. Anyway, let's go to Happy Hoopy School! Can you see the tube here? I got this tube from Lee's Plumbing. I put some film over here so you can see where I get. So this is from Lee's Plumbing store. So it's a PE pipe and then it's made by polyethylene. It's made by polyethylene. And I'll tell you how much is that. I bought 50 meters PE pipe, about $80. But this is the business account price. So if you buy as a private customer, you have to pay more. So if you learn the business, you can make the business account. It's free to make the business account and you can get a discount from this plumbing shop. And then what else we need? We need a tube cutter to cut the pipe. And then I'm using this tube cutter. I got this tube cutter from Bunnings Warehouse. And then I used to use this tube cutter, but as you see, it's broken. So this is a little bit big. It was cheaper, but it was to pay a little bit more money to buy a better tube cutter. And yeah, this is stronger and I like this one. I'm using this for a few years now and it never broke. After you cut the tube, you want to connect the tube. For the connector, I get this pipe from John R. Tuck. This is from John R. Tuck and then I'm using 1.5 diameter pipe. And then you need a drill to open the hole. I use a rivet gun to connect the tube. So this is my rivet gun. And then you need a riveting. So I used to use 4.6. So if you use a 4.6, personally I thought you need a little bit of muscle. So I downsized to 4.2. And then now I'm using 3.2 rivet. And then personally I think 3.2 is enough. It's smaller but it connects okay. I never had a problem to hear the hula hoop go separate. So you can use 3.2. And then after you connect the hula hoop, you want to tape them. So you need a special hula hoop tape. And then if you live in Australia, you can get from Pretty Sticky store. And then this is a tape I get. This special sparkle tape. And then this is a gaffer tape. This gaffer tape is less slippery. So when you hula hoop, you can hula hoop easier on your body because it prevents to slip on your body. You also need electrical tape and then you can get Bunnings Warehouse. And you need scissors to cut the tape. And then of course, you need a measure to measure the size of the hula hoop. Okay, now we know what we need to prepare for it. So in next video, we can actually start to make the handmade hula hoop. If you have any questions, anything you want to know about hula hoop, you can leave the comment in this video. Otherwise, you can like and subscribe the channel and then Shiho will be very happy. And then I'll see you guys in next video. Let's make the handmade hula hoop in the next video. Bye! またね!